What's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're just going to be delivering this C7 Corvette that we just finished up, as well as finishing up the Camaro. I'll just be showing both the reveals on the page, and that'll be it for this YouTube video. But for the first car, this is the C7 we just finished up. Like I said, this is done in mint blue with the bumper wrapped in gloss black. So this is a very unique contrast. The car came in silver, and it's leaving a whole different look. Everything looks mint. We did the mirrors, the door handles, and it's the front side of his bumper in gloss black, so it's a very custom design. Looks great with the hood in gloss black too. As of right now, we are leaving the badge off, as we think it looks great like this. If you'd like, he's gonna put his own gloss black badges on, but the ones he had were silver and red, which completely threw off the look. All right, y'all, so we just finished up the two cars at the shop. This is the Chevelle that we've just finished. It came in as gray, and then we wrapped it in gloss red carmine, I'm pretty sure it's called. We also threw in some gloss white racing stripes from Avery. Something else we also did on this car that this is my first time doing is the door jambs. So check that out. So it almost looks as if it came this color from the factory. It looks great. It's a lot harder to work with older cars just because the wrap doesn't stick as well, but we made it work. It looks great for the condition it came in from. And this is the FRS that we just finished up in satin nardo gray. As y'all saw before, it came in as the dark blue, and this is how it came out. It looks absolutely great. We could also be throwing on his spoiler in a second, and I believe he's going to be switching out his taillights too, so it'll give it a much cleaner look. But we did the roof and the door handles as well as the mirrors in gloss black. Everything else in satin black. This has been a huge favorite from a lot of people wanting to get their cars wrapped. And another car that just got dropped off is the Tesla in here. This is a white Model 3 that just got dropped off the other day. We're gonna be wrapping it in 3M Battleship Gray. I believe it's a satin color. An update on my car. As of right now, the buyer is coming on Thursday or Friday to pick it up, and it'll be officially gone. The car will be having the drag pack. It'll still have the CJ cams and all that. And on this coming Wednesday, we will be heading out of town to Chicago to pick up a new car. So y'all see what that is. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all next time.